a great way to treat yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for your attention and cooperation.
Let's see if they're still talking in this room. Okay. Room 1607. Inside room. Wi-Fi safe. Storage. Not much space. But it's a cruise ship, right? Ooh, this way. Shower. Bathroom. Desk area, desk. Different kinds of outlets. Some more storage. They definitely have different kinds of storage everywhere. Huh, light switch. It's like reading lights. Oh, that's cool. More light switch, turn it all off. It's like a modular room, it looks like. Alright. Not much to this room tour. Pretty small room.